Welcome to Mastering the Markets, a look inside a high-stakes trading day. We'll show you how precision, analysis, and iron discipline define success when the market is live. We begin our journey before the market awakens, finding clarity in the quiet before the chaos. As the sun rises over the digital skyline, the world of global finance prepares for another day of intense movement. The data is already flowing, a quiet signal of the opportunities and risks that lie ahead. This is where we focus, where strategy meets reality. Welcome to the challenge of mastering the markets. Our day begins with the setup. Every detail is crucial, from the hardware to the data displayed across the screens. The environment is calibrated for maximum focus. 3 screens, dedicated to 3 different views of the global market. We are targeting gold and Bitcoin today, 2 of the most dynamic assets requiring constant attention and rapid decision-making. With the strategy locked in, the moment of entry arrives. 1 click, and the high-stakes play begins. Success in this arena is built on logic, not emotion. Our entry decision is backed by rigorous technical analysis. We strip away the noise to see the market's true structure, using tools that reveal underlying probabilities. Fibonacci levels pinpoint potential turning points, while the RSI confirms momentum and helps us time our trade precisely. Our trade is a calculated risk with a defined stop loss and a clear profit target. Discipline is our greatest asset. Once the trade is live, the market tests your conviction. This is the period of maximum tension. The candles flicker, reflecting the battle between buyers and sellers. Prices whip back and forth, challenging every nerve. Data streams move at lightning speed. It takes absolute focus to filter the noise and stick to the plan.
The momentum shifts. The lo-fi beats fade and the cinematic score rises. It's time for the final push.
After the storm of volatility comes the moment of resolution. The market moves in our favor, touching the target established long before the trade was executed. The trade is closed, the profit is secured. Discipline triumphs over market chaos. Mastery means freedom. With the work done, the world becomes your office. Thank you for joining us on this high-stakes market day.